welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So today I am making very cute and adorable sweet snacks. As everyone was saying, kindly make something sweet. So I just tried something uniqueness in this also. So kindly watch it and do tell me how you find cute kites and sweet birds. Come on, let's see. So friends, first of all we have to make a dough. So I have taken this wheat flour and I will add this raw sugar, or you can say brown sugar. Okay, 3 spoons I will add to it, and a pinch of salt also. Then I'll add oil also in it, and then this is water. And now I will knead it in the it's a kneading machine. It's lifelong, and you can make breads, multigrain breads, and you can knead the flour and cakes also in it. So we will fix it inside this now. So friends, we have selected the kneading option. It's 11. We have done it, and now we will start, and you will see the process and I'll show you. So we will add water when it is required. Okay, our dough is about to get ready. Okay, so friends, our dough is ready, and now we will take it out like this. See, it's very soft and very nice, and see, it's evenly prepared. And now we'll add edible colors and we'll make a different colored dough. Since we have made multiple dough, green, red, and this is normal color, and we have rolled out and cut its sides and made a square, and now we will cut it from the middle. Okay, like this. So friends, now we will do a filling. Okay, and in the sides we'll apply a little bit of water so that they may stick to each other. Like this. We have already done the filling in this. Okay, and now we will decorate it. So friends, now we will decorate it. We have made these strings like this, and we will cut it. Okay, and we'll apply a little water here also. And we'll cut it from here, and we can take red also or green also underneath it. So which color will be appropriate? Green. Okay, so we'll make it wet with a brush, and then we will apply it over here and like this. Okay, like this. Okay, so our kite is ready. So friends, we have put half triangle like this, and we'll do it like this, and we'll take out that round portion, and we will put it here like this, and one here like this. See, our kite is ready. Isn't it looking so cute? So friends, see, our kites are ready. I made it differently, and now I've taken 2 colors. We will roll it like this. Okay, and just wait. Then you just hold it like this and make a knot like this. Okay, okay, like this, and then with the fork we'll do. And now I'll tell you what this is. So friend, we have taken a one round ball like this, and we'll insert one here, and this is clove. Now we will place it over here. So now you must have got what it is. It is a sweet little bird. So friends, so sweet and cute kites are made. I made string also. You can make string if you don't want, you can. And see these cute birds also. Wow, they are all looking so awesome. And now we will fry them in halogen or air fryer without any oil. Okay. So friends, our yummy tasty kites are ready, and birds are also ready, and we have made the clouds with coconut powder, and they all are looking so yummy and good. Do tell me how you find this recipe. Next time I'll try to bring something more unique. Up till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.